Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you the first option for the postgraduate accommodation at Royal Holloway, and that is Penrose Court. So if you go to see, this is basically what Penrose Court looks like. Penrose Court is basically the cheapest postgraduate accommodation at Royal Holloway. That's approximately 7,000. Okay, so basically this is the entrance to Penrose Court. You've got your lock here, which basically gets unlocked with your student ID. Then you enter. So you've got a couple of flats. It's late at night, so I'm just going to keep quiet. Okay. So this is basically an entrance to one of the, the flats of Penrose Court. So each flat, you could say, has 4 rooms. And as you know, Penrose is basically, you don't have an ensuite bathroom, you have a shared bathroom. So this is what your toilet will look like at Penrose. This is shared by 4 people. And this is what the shower area of Penrose looks like. Okay, so we are basically in a room. Big ups to my friend Mishu for letting me record it. So in Penrose, you do not open your door with the student ID, but you need a key to open it. Okay, and there we go. So this is basically what the room in Penrose looks like. So you have your study area over here. You have your chair and you have like a proper area to study. So this is the outside view. So you cannot open this area. The only area that it can be opened in the window is this upper area, which would be a disadvantage in the summers because it can get quite hot. So as you can see, you have some cabinets here to store all your stuff. You've got a cabinet over here. You actually have the heater over there, but for some reason that's not working. So he has got a temporary heater provided by the university, of course. And you have your mirror here where you can, brush your teeth in the morning, and you have a sink right here. Obviously, it's not drinking water, but yeah, you can get the work done, right? So, and there's again a cabinet. You have this cupboard area, which I feel is quite good because in Highfield, they do not give you such a big cupboard area. As you can see, it's really big. Parents, you guys can take notes. You can send your children with these clothes. With the amount of clothes like that could basically go in. So yeah, you have place to store your suitcase as well. And you've got a mirror here. You've got a notice board to basically pin whatever you need. And this is your bed of Penrose. So another good advantage of Penrose is the bed. Like in Highfield, this also has a storage area for your suitcase down there. So yeah, you can open it and store your suitcases, and it's quite a decent room, I would say, as compared to like the other ones. Okay, so now we move on to the kitchen area of Penrose. So this kitchen area is shared by 4 people. So as you can see, you've got drinking water, you've got hot and cold. So you can always be assured that you will get some drinking water in the uni. You've got a toaster provided by the uni, of course. You've got some storage area for all your stuff, all the things you need for your kitchen, basically. Yeah, you've got an oven right here. You've got a microwave, and you've got hot plates. So yeah, let me just show you from here. So yeah, so this is the table area. It's for 4 people. and there's one fridge that's provided. So yeah, you could say it's small, but for 4 people, I think it's an okay amount of space, I guess. It's up to you. So let me just show you once again. This is basically what exiting from Penrose Court looks like. Again, this has the emergency link to the security, just in case you probably get locked out of your room or something for some reason. They'll always be there to help. These are places where you can keep some common notices. As you can see, there are fire alarm tests conducted every Wednesday and some notices. And yeah, so basically this is the exit, and like I said, once this door closes, it cannot be opened without putting your key. So in terms of security, it's quite good. So basically this is the exit to Highfield Road. And then again to Highfield Court. So yeah, that's about everything for Penrose Court. As you can see, it's basically the cheapest accommodation for postgraduates at Royal Holloway. So basically, if you guys have any questions regarding the accommodations at Royal Holloway, whether it is undergraduate or postgraduate, please let me know. I'm gonna leave my email down in the description. So anything at all, I'll try my level best to help you out with, since I'm here. And if you're in your countries and if you have a doubt about anything at all, please do not hesitate to ask. I am here to help you. Do like, share and subscribe, because that will help me build up my channel. So that's about it. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.